day, everyone. Our video is about enzyme-based soil remediation and waste management. Enzymes are biological catalysts that helps break down waste and harmful substances in soil. So today, we will explain how these enzymes work and why they are important in sustainable agriculture.
Soil remediation means cleaning and restoring soil that has been damaged by pesticides, fertilizer, and organic matter. Enzyme-based remediation uses enzymes like protease and cellulase to break down pollutants into safer compounds. This method is natural, efficient, and environmentally friendly.
Enzymes speed up the organic matter. When they decompose, they release nitrogen and phosphorus. They also support microbial activity and form humus, which improves soil structure and water holding capacity.
Agriculture. Enzymes play a major role in managing waste, like cellulase breakdowns chemicals, protease breakdowns manure, amylase breakdown starch from feeds. These enzymes reduce odor, speed up composting, converting waste into organic fertilizer.
Enzyme-based methods are used in composting system, wastewater treatment, and remediation of pesticide-contaminated soil. Farmers use this solution to shorten composting time and improve soil fertility. This leads to cleaner soil, reduced pollution, and more sustainable farming practices.
To conclude, enzyme-based soil remediation and waste management offers the natural and eco-friendly solutions for improving soil and reducing agricultural waste. These enzymes support nutrient cycling and promotes sustainable agriculture. Thank you for watching!